back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see, today I'm doing another synthetic wig, and this is the Butta lace. What lace is from Chanel? It's the Butta Unit 34. So it's like a T-part lace almost, but it has a lot more lace in the front. So it's completely glueless. I didn't put any glue on it. So yeah, I really installed this in like 10 minutes. Cut the lace, you know, put a little hot comb at the top, put a little makeup in my prime space, and that was pretty much it. Normal lace, and this is the Butta lace. Let's have HD lace, so you don't have to worry about the knots really being big. I know a lot of older synthetic units have like the big knots on them, but this one doesn't. It does come in 6 other colors including this one, but 5 is up here. So it's virtual undetectable HD lace, and it blends with most skin tones. I'm like more of a brown skin tone type of girl, so it definitely blends in really well along with the makeup, Ruby Kisses. Ear-to-ear lace with wide party again, and it does have pre-plucked baby hair, but I didn't really want no baby hair for this look. And it has a natural density hairline, so I didn't really pluck it or anything, just left it alone because this is supposed to be like a beginner friendly type of wig. Yeah, this is the glueless Butta lace unit. Now off rip, I know this will tangle eventually, but right now it's not tangling at all. So as you can see, but the hair color 10 out of 10. The hair texture is more like a yaki mix, but it's not really yaki, so it's kind of soft and smooth. No smell, not much shedding at the moment or tangling, but this wig can last up to 2 weeks if you take care of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this wig. If y'all like the wig, go ahead and purchase below, and I'll go ahead and get right back into the video. Alright, so this should be the stock card you see when you go to purchase the wig. Here's the lace and everything y'all need to see in the hair itself. Off the rip, it looks really good and nice straight out the pack. I did add a little makeup. I did not pluck this wig or anything. I'm going to try to do it glueless, so this is like a quick install. I did this in under 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes all you need to do this wig if you're watching this video. And right now I'm just getting it in place and kind of seeing how I want my bangs to lay. Well, not the bangs, but you know, like the sides to lay. Alrighty, then I went ahead and added my mousse to the top. I didn't really hot comb the top just because how much parting space came in the parting area. But I did add my mousse to both sides, and then I went ahead and combed it back just to frame it, so once the bangs do lay, it can look really nice. Here you'll see me adding my even spray just to make sure the hair stays in place so the bangs can lay really nice. And I went ahead and gave y'all a close-up on the lace. It looks really nice, very realistic, not too much, not too less. And this is me cutting it along the hairlines just so it can give that glueless look and look more natural. And after I do that, I went ahead and hot combed my hairline upwards just so once the bangs do lay, they lay really nicely. And you'll kind of see once I do finish this install. Here's like an example of what I'm trying to do. If you kind of get the picture, I'm trying to place my bangs in a nice way so that once I do finish this whole install, that they lay perfectly along my face. Now right here is where I noticed like the parting looked a little bit off just because some of the hairline on the other side was missing. So I went ahead with my mascara and kind of cleaned it up just to make the other side match the other. And here's me adding that mascara. And as you can see, that really did the trick just for the other side to match, because it did like a balding spot right there. I went ahead and added my Ruby Kisses makeup on the hairline. Really simple, really easy. You don't have to do this. This part is optional because the lace does blend with different skin tones. But right here, I pretty much did the install in about 10 to 15 minutes, and I used no glue. No glue at all. And here is the hair before I kind of rub my fingers through it and kind of comb through and everything, because once I do comb it out, the bangs will lay way nicer than how they're laying now. And this is optional. Since you can't do a side part with this wig, you can kind of do a flip over method to make it look really nice. And here's me after I've combed through this wig with my fingers and this comb. I'm trying to make the layers and the bangs lay correctly. That's pretty much all you have to do. And once you do finish this part, you can go ahead and add your even spray along the hair just to make sure it stays in place. As you can see, it looks a lot better than how it was once it came out the pack. And here's a visual of the back and how it lays. So it looks really nice. It does like mimic
real human hair very nicely, and it sways really nice too. But yeah, here's the glueless part of the install. Really nice, really easy, 10 to 15 minutes.
Alright y'all, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe and comment. I will have more videos for you guys, of course. I'll definitely have more videos for you guys just in regards to synthetic wigs. I know this channel is like mostly synthetic wigs, but I usually upload most of my human hair installs on TikTok. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok, it's right here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, what you're doing. And see you guys next time. Thanks.